Every day, we eat 3 meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But have you ever stopped to wonder where the leftover rice on our plates, the fruit peels in the kitchen, or the uneaten food in the restaurant actually ends up? According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, the world throws away more than 1.3 billion tons of food every year. That's roughly 170 kilograms of food waste per person annually, equivalent to half a plate of rice discarded every single day. In Indonesia, the situation is equally alarming. Over the past 2 decades, the country has generated between 23 and 48 million tons of food waste each year. On average, every Indonesian throws away 115 until 184 kilograms of food annually. But the waste isn't just food. The energy used to grow it, the water used to irrigate it, and the land used to produce it. All of that is wasted too. And the story doesn't end at the landfill. When food waste decomposes, it releases methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide. That's the source of the foul odor around landfills, the swarms of flies, and the health risks faced by nearby communities. In Indonesia, emissions from food waste are estimated at over 1.7 billion tons of carbon dioxide equivalent each year, roughly 7% of the nation's total emission. The more food we throw away, the larger our carbon footprint becomes. Yet, all of this waste doesn't have to end up in landfills. According to the FAO and Indonesia's National Food Agency, there is a clear food rescue hierarchy. First, prevent waste in the first place. Second, if food is still edible, donate it to those in need. And 3, if it's no longer fit for human consumption, repurpose it as animal feed, compost, or industrial material. Nationally, the economic loss from food waste range from 213 to 551 rupiah trillion annually, accounting for 5 until 5% of Indonesia's entire economy. There is where a simple, powerful solution emerged from an unlikely hero, the maggot, the larva of the black soldier fly, or BSF. This tiny creature possesses extraordinary abilities. In less than a week, maggots can break down up to 90% of organic waste, from leftover rice and rotten vegetables to fruit scraps and food residue. From every ton of food waste, they can convert around 900 kilograms into valuable biomass, leaving behind only a small, soul-safe residue.
Nah, kenapa kita sebutnya SOD? Sampah olahan dapur. Jadi yang sudah diolah. Kalau yang belum diolah, kayak misalnya ambil sampah sayur yang ada di
pasar,
belum tentu si maggot bisa mengolahnya. Kalau nggak kita cacah ulang, hancurin dulu. Kita ada bisa menjajahnya, kita cacah dulu. Kalau nggak, itu nggak akan terurai.
If widely adopted, this method could dramatically reduce the burden on landfills, lower waste transportation costs, and create much cleaner environment. The life cycle of a black soldier's fly lasts just 2 weeks, but its impact is remarkable. Like dried maggots, become a high-protein natural feed for fish and poultry, sold at 10,000 till 20,000 per kilogram. Also, the leftover material, known as catgut, is transformed into rich organic fertilizer. What was once worthless household waste become a new source of income for farmers, livestock owners, and local community.
Jadi dengan sampah buat lalapnya pun bisa buat makan ternak. Jadi semua berputar. nggak ada yang sia-sia, nggak ada yang kebuang.
Pertanian itu dari anggur sendiri ampas dari sisa makanannya jadi kastor. Kastor itu bisa untuk jadi pupuk.
Moreover, when organic waste is processed by maggots, decomposition happens rapidly and cleanly. There's no foul smell, no blackly eggs, and no swarms of regular flies. Problematic waste is transformed into a source of life and renewal, and the air around us becomes fresher. Today, maggot-based organic waste banks are springing up across Indonesia. Communities collect food scraps from home, food stalls, and traditional markets, feed them to maggots, sell the harvested larvae, and use the casket to enrich their own gardens. The environment becomes cleaner and people earn extra income. This is a living example of a circular economy, where nothing is truly waste and everything returns to the nature. Maggots prove that massive change can begin with something small, a spoonful of leftover rice, a fruit peel that won't have been thrown away, or a simple act of awareness that nothing should be waste if it can still be used. Imagine if every household in Indonesia managed its organic waste this way. Our cities would be cleaner, landfills would shrink, the air will be fresher, and our planet will be healthier. Because in truth, every piece of food waste still holds potential, and one of the smallest yet mightiest heroes helping us unlock that potential is the maggot. From waste to blessing, from nature back to nature.
Itu harus dicek kan.
Bisa.
Tapi karena kita sudah menjalankan program